Alright, so make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important detail about locking your courses inside Skool. First, let's switch to your own Skool community. Here, click on the Classroom tab from the top menu bar. Then click on New Course. Start with giving your course a title and description. For this tutorial, I'm using Test. Now you'll see several lock options. Open this means everyone in your community can access the course. Then we've Level Unlock. This lets you lock the course based on the member's level. So if you select Level 4, only members who have reached Level 4 or above can access this course. Then Buy Now. This is used for paid courses. To use this, you'll need to connect a Stripe account. Members will have to pay to unlock the course. Also Time Unlock. This unlocks the course after a certain number of days since someone joined your community. For example, you can unlock a course 30 days after someone joins. At last, Private. Use this if you want to manually give access to specific people. You'll need to enter their email addresses to grant them access. Other than these, it offers annual membership. You can also make the course available only to those who upgrade to your annual plan. For example, if your monthly plan is $60 and annual is $600, only annual subscribers will get access. Now you can upload a cover image for the course if you want. Then click Add to create the course. Once it's added, you'll see it in your classroom. Since I'm the admin, I can access it. But regular members will only be able to see it if they meet the unlock criteria. And that's how you can lock your courses inside Skool, whether it's by level, time, payment, or manually. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.